This video is sponsored by Printhead, and a special thanks to Derek Porter who liked my tutorial and requested that I create it in English on how to make a car wrap mockup in Adobe Photoshop. First, look at the parts of the car where stickers should not be applied, like lights, windows, and other parts of car. Now select pen tool and create a path. After creating the path, press Ctrl Enter to activate selection. Now create two copies of the parts by pressing Ctrl J two times. Keep the second layer as a backup in case it needed later. I rename it. Now hide both layers and start working on one. Now I am deleting all the areas on the layer which the sticker should not be applied. So I am using pen tool, creating a path for delete this area. Now press Ctrl Enter and press delete. Repeating this process to all areas. Ctrl Enter and delete. Ctrl Enter, delete. Now do unhide main layer. Now copy your artwork and paste here. Reduce opacity. Press Ctrl T for adjust your design. Now do right click on artwork layer and select create clipping mask. Now choose a blend mode that look best for your artwork. Darken, multiply, color burn, linear burn, darker color. Taste and select the one that work best. In this case, multiply work well. Now car wrap mockup is ready, and I am giving you a special tip. For this artwork, you do not need blending option, but in some cases they are useful. To use them, do right click on artwork layer and select blending option. Adjust current layer under laying layer. Press Alt and click to break apart if needed. This is useful in some cases of prominent detail, but not required here. So I'm doing cancel. Now your mockup is ready, and in next video we will learn when web design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you.